Hello everyone, today I am very excited. Do you know why I am so excited? Because yesterday some customers from Russia, they came in my factory. We gave them the factory tour. After seeing my factory, they are very excited and they decide to give us an orders of 55,000 pieces of diesel parking heater and 45,000 pieces of parking air conditioner and 25,000 pieces of car refrigerator. Thank you so much boss to trust on us. We will do our work honestly and we will deliver your orders on time. If you guys also want to buy my products, please feel free to contact us.